The StG-45M, sometimes referred to as the MP-45M, was a prototype assault rifle developed by Mauser for the Wehrmacht at the end of World War II, using an innovative roller-delayed blowback operating system. It fired the 7.92A, 33mm Kurz intermediate cartridge at a cyclic rate of around 450 rounds per minute. Overview. The origin of this rifle can be traced back to the final years of World War II when Mauser engineers at the Light Weapon Development Group at Oberndorf am Neckar designed the MKB Gera Currency T06 prototype assault rifle chambered for the intermediate 7.92A, 33mm Kurz cartridge, first with the Gera Currency T06 model using a roller-locked short recoil mechanism originally adapted from the MG42 machine gun, but with a fixed barrel and conventional gas-actuated piston rod. It was realized that with careful attention to the mechanical ratios, the gas system could be omitted. The resultant weapon, the Gera Currency T6 was assigned the designation StG-45M. However, the design required that the bolt move while the bullet was still in the barrel and the spent case fully pressurized. Traditional chambers resulted in separated case heads during testing. The solution was to flute the chamber. Longitudinal grooves were cut into the chamber to allow combustion gases to float the neck and front of the case and assist in extraction during the process. The case would be scorched in a manner which was characteristic for later Heckler and Koch blowback-operated weapons, which used the same principle. The StG-45M was intended to replace the StG 44 assault rifle, because the latter was rather expensive and time-consuming to produce. Compared to the StG-44's cost of 70 Reichsmarks, the StG-45M's calculated cost was 45 Reichsmarks. Parts for only 30 complete rifles were produced before the war ended. While the StG-45M was intended to use the same 30-round magazine as its predecessor, the rifle is commonly pictured with the 10-round magazine designed for the Volkssturmgewehr. The shorter magazine was used by Mauser engineers during testing, as its lower profile was easier to use when test firing at the Mauser facility range. Post-Euro World War II developments. The German technicians involved in developing the StG 45 continued their research in France at CEAM. The StG-45 mechanism was modified by Ludwig Vorgrimler and Theodor La Paragraph FFLE at the Mulhouse facility between 1946 and 1949. 3 versions were made, chambered in .30 carbine, 7.92A, 33mm Kurz as well as the 7.65A, 35mm cartridge developed by Cartridge de Valence and adopted in 1948. A 7.5A, 38mm cartridge using a partial aluminium bullet was abandoned in 1947. La Paragraph FFLER's design, designated the Carabine mitrailleuse Model in 1950, was retained for trials among 12 different prototypes designed by CEAM, MAC, and MAS. Vorgrimler later went to work at CETME in Spain and developed the line of CETME automatic rifles. Germany eventually purchased the license for the CETME design and manufactured the Heckler and Koch G3 as well as an entire line of weapons built on the same system, one of the most famous being the MP5. A few other post-Euro World War II weapons used the roller-delayed locking system, such as the SIG SG-510. See also, StG-44, HIWVSK carbine, Wimmersberg SPZKR. List of assault rifles. References: Senisch, Peter, The German Assault Rifle, 1935–1945, page 153. Paladin Press, 1987. Senisch, 158, Feldrau.com German Weapons of World War II. External links: Do you know your HK's parents? By Ian McCollum, Last Ditch Innovation, The Development of the Garat 06 and Garat 6 Hours Rifles, StG 45 at an IPSC 3-gun match.